Hey, we still see if this shit ass or it pass, but so far, that combo, that shit. With this fried cheese right here with that guava sauce.
See, we're gonna pay. This is $50 worth, not that
You know
fucking
what I'm talking
breakfast
about?
bullshit.
This shit right here,
That breakfast bullshit.
that shit pass, baby. Ain't no ass here, boy. Alright, hit this place up right here. We're gonna get to the next place. We're gonna check out the mofongo. This is like a block right here. This shit tight. I love how this shit look out. Look at that. We out of Puerto Rico, son. We're on the block, son.